So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Cardano, ticker symbol ADA on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, go to this bottom tab right here and press on the trade option. So in between my assets and earn percentage in the middle, simply just press on trade. Then once you're on this screen, go to the top bar where it says search for an asset and press on that. Then once you're on this screen, just simply type in ADA, which of course is the ticker symbol for Cardano. So as you can tell, it's at the top here, press on Cardano. Once you're on this screen, go ahead and press on trade. At the bottom, press on buy ADA with cash. Once that is done, you're on this screen. Since I am in Canada, I do have to have a minimum order of, I think, $2 if I'm not mistaken. So once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and press review order, but this can be whatever amount that you want. But press on review order. It's going to take a couple seconds just to identify the purchase that you want to make. So just bear with it, not a big deal. It'll take a couple seconds longer, nothing crazy. Once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and press on place order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Cardano, ticker symbol ADA on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.